everyone. One pot chicken soup is classic, tasty, comforting and easy to make dish. So grab your apron and let's get started on making this delicious chicken soup. Heat vessel, add oil in it. Now I'll add small chunks of boneless chicken. Saute on medium heat till it turns off-white in color. Add fresh garlic paste in it, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, salt as per your taste, sugar to balance the flavor. Mix and saute well for 1 minute. Add water. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flame. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Add grated cabbage, grated carrot, chopped capsicum, boiled sweet corn. Mix and cook on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Add red chili sauce, soy sauce, add vinegar. Mix well and cover for 10 minutes. Veggies in the soup are nicely tender. Now I'll make a cornflour slurry. Mix the cornflour slurry in the soup. Mix well to avoid lumps. Add egg in it. On high flame, mix gently with the help of spatula or spoon. It's perfect for cozy night or as a comforting meal for when you're feeling under the weather. Give it a try and let your taste bud be the judge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.